Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So a few weeks ago, I dropped 3 videos asking you guys on your feedback on what I should get for exterior mods for the new W205 C-Class project car. I asked your opinion on what grille I should get, what diffuser I should get, and also what wing I should get. So after a few weeks, I finally got all the parts and pieces in, and I want to show you guys what came out on top. So the first video that I asked you guys what to vote on was the grill video. And man, this was really close. It was mainly between the Panamericana grill and the gloss black diamond grill. And what came out on top was exactly what I thought, which was the gloss black diamond grill. And I think that's an excellent choice and it looks amazing. Check it out. So here's the new grill. Check it out. Gloss black diamond bits, gloss black side blades, and this is a custom star. This is a glass style star, so it's very similar to the star found on Mercedes-Benz with Distronics. It's completely flat. I mean, this really gives it a luxury look, but this right here just gives it that aggressive look. So I can't wait to put this on the car. So the second video I asked you guys to vote on was the spoiler. And this selection won by a landslide, and it's the carbon fiber duckbill spoiler. And I think it looks amazing. Check it out. Here's the carbon fiber spoiler. As you can see, it tapers in, but it also kicks up, which is pretty nice. It's not too aggressive, and I think it's going to complement the look of the car really well. I mean, overall, the quality is amazing. Nice clear coat, nice carbon fiber weave, nice and even. And the good thing is the install should be very easy. And the last video I asked you guys to vote on was the diffuser. And again, this option won by a landslide, which was option 3. It's the AMG style quad tip diffuser with gloss black tips. Man, when I opened up the box, I was blown away. Check it out. Here's the diffuser. Man, this thing looks awesome. So this is the AMG style with the 3 fins. This strip right here is gloss black. The opening for the quad tips has all the hardware and mounting brackets, but look at those tips. Look at that. It's nice and gloss black. And the good thing is I'm not really posing as an AMG because there's no AMG logo on the tips. Overall, I think this is going to be a nice add-on for the project car. So those are the 3 mods that you guys selected to go on the W205 C-Class project car. I can't wait to put them on. I just gotta wait for the snow to go away, and I'll start making those install videos and sharing them with you guys. So if you haven't done it already, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a beat on the brand new project car and what I'm doing to it. And as always, I hope you like this video. Hit that like button below. It'll help me out a lot. I appreciate your support, and let's get through this journey. See you next time.